Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing the shelf work for today, and this one in particular is going to be the going from moles of something to moles of something else, right? You should have three of these shelf work examples that you're going to be going through. You're more than welcome to watch these videos and do them with me if you would like, if it simplifies things for you. Um, so the question reads, how many moles of chlorine is needed to react with 5 moles of sodium? So in stoichiometry, you always figure out what you have and then what you're trying to get to. So I have 5 moles of sodium, and I'm trying to get to how many moles of chlorine I need, right? So in this reaction, you'll notice two things. One, it's already balanced, right? And you have a synthesis reaction, right? You have two reactants, and then it gets you one product, right? So for every 2 moles of sodium, you need 1 mole of chlorine to make 2 moles of NaCl, or sodium chloride, otherwise known as table salt. So to solve this problem, you always start with what you have, and you always figure out what you're trying to get to. So I have 5 moles of sodium, right? So over here, I'm going to push my pieces over here. I have a couple puzzle pieces, right? This is going to be a simpler one, so hopefully it'll get you guys kind of going and warmed up for the next ones to come. So I have 5 moles of sodium, and I'm going to place that at the very top of my little dimensional analysis table, right? And I'm trying to get to moles of chlorine, right? So what I can do is, since I have moles of Na on the top, I know I need moles of Na on the bottom, right? So according to my equation, I know that I have 2 moles of Na in my equation. So I'm going to put that down here. And now your moles of Na should cancel each other out. The numbers are not going to cancel each other out, but the units will, right? And I'm trying to get to moles of Cl, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to kind of multiply across, right? So if you remember from dimensional analysis, in between here you have a multiplication sign. This is a 1, right? And you have a multiplication. So what this is telling me is 5 times 1 is going to be equal to 5 divided by 1 times 2